I'm gonna show you how to sync Tradovate into TradingView. So first, to get started, you have to go to TradingView and log in your account so you can use this feature. So from there, you just have to sign in and then select a chart that you want. It's either Forex or crypto or any trade. So from here, just have to click here in the bottom pane. You can see the icon right here that says open panel, and then from there you will see that connect through our trusted brokers. So we just have to select all brokers, and from here you will see all the available brokers or the exchanges available. So from here we have to select the Tradovate. So we have to find the Tradovate right here, and then once you locate the Tradovate right there, you just have to click on it, or you can add it to your favorites. And then from here you just have to sign in to all the necessary details, your account in Tradovate, your username and your password, and after that you just have to connect, or you can just click on don't remember me, so it's just a one-time login, or you can just click on demo if you want a demo to the Tradovate or your live. So that's it. That's how you sync your Tradovate to TradingView.